Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa and I am the Product Development and Wholesale Manager here at the Vegan Warehouse, specifically for our brand MERSi. MERSi was actually founded just in 2020, and we are a fully vegan brand dedicated to bringing high quality products to you. I've worked in many fashion houses before, from low end to high end, and I've seen all the different kinds of practices that you can do specifically in handbags. So with my experiences in other fashion brands and houses, I'm bringing all of those skills and things that I've acquired here into this vegan brand, and I'm trying to basically find the most sustainable options and try to make the most high quality products without the designer price tag. So I think a lot of brands are taking sustainability very seriously, and in fact, I don't think it's a trend like most people say. It's something that really is ingrained in every company's culture, and we specifically commit to making sure sustainability is at the forefront, whether it's picking, hardware, picking materials, even down to the packaging. We always want to make sure we are as conscious as possible. So it's really up to us and up to you also as a consumer to make sure that what you're purchasing is as sustainable as it can be. I know it can be very overwhelming to know whether something's sustainable or not, especially when it comes to the vegan leather or vegan products. That's why here at the Vegan Warehouse, you can always make sure you get the most sustainable products. Today, I'm going to be talking about vegan leather, what it is, what it looks like, how it feels, and how you can take care of it. So follow along. Vegan leather is basically a material that mimics leather, and it's just not made of an animal. A lot of different products that are considered vegan leather are PVC, PU, even things like apple peels can be turned into vegan leather, technically. Mushrooms, pineapples, almost anything under the sun can now be vegan. The two most common polymers used are PVC and PU, where PU is actually the most sustainable option because it doesn't require hazardous materials and still achieves the beautiful leather effect of a handbag. We actually use PU in all of our handbags, and I will be showing you all of the different types of PU materials that you can see, how they feel and what they look like. The first one is the Ruby Crossbody, one of our best-selling bags. This one actually has a pearl finish. Our second bag is the Alicia. This one also has a very sheen, like a shimmer look once the light hits it, but it actually feels just like suede. When I was designing this bag, I was very interested in this material because I was just so shocked that it's not suede, in fact. When buying a vegan handbag, always make sure to read the care label or the product labels. There you can see if it's made of any die-cast leather, meaning you can actually mix leather materials that come from animal products and a mixture of other kinds of materials to make something. This is all vegan. So always make sure to read those before you purchase something. And the third one is the Astor wallet. This one I personally love. It's a cross-hatch finish that is water resistant and it's scratch proof. So this one is so great on basically any bag, and I personally like for all of my wallets to be very durable. So we decided to do it on this to see and just test it out. But I will say that this is extremely durable. It cleans very easily, and I hope you guys love it as much as I do. And last but not least is our Clara Cloud bag. I'm so excited for this one. I remember receiving the swatch for this type of PU material, and I was like, okay, we have to do this. It's one of the softest ones that we have in all of our handbags. It literally feels like butter. It has like a beautiful shine, but it's still smooth. So now that you know about vegan leather and about our handbags, the next best thing to know is how to take care of it. The good thing about PU is that it's actually very low maintenance. What I like to personally do is use a microfiber towel. I like to put just a little bit of water on it. If I'm using soap, I have to make sure that it's fragrance free and it's non-toxic. Any very toxic materials can actually discolor your bag. So always make sure that when you're wiping it, you're not, rubbing it too hard. So just very easily, it'll come right off. So on our handbag, there is hardware that might actually get some dirt in or dust particles, which is completely fine. You can just use a Q-tip, and you can use the same soap that you're using for your PU. You can use it for any hardware that you have. With that, you can clean basically anything that we have, whether it's the clasp, any stud, a chain, anything that you have that has a metal is very easy to clean. Another really important part that you don't want to miss out on is cleaning the inside the same way you'd be cleaning the outside. Always make sure that when you're not using the bag, you take everything out of it, you take the lipsticks out, you take all of the garbage, no receipts. Something that I really like to do. I actually pride myself in always keeping my bags very clean and very organized. The good thing about all of the MERSi bags is that they do come with a dust bag, so you can very neatly put all of our bags into its dust bag and just stack them all in your closet. While you're wearing your bag, of course, you're going to want to take care of it. Avoid any overstuffing or any unnecessary wear and tear while you're wearing it. Don't pack it up with too many things, so you can make sure that it always stays in place and it always maintains its shape. So if you follow these steps, you can easily make sure that your new MERSi bag is a forever piece. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, on socials, check out all of our new collections on theveganwarehouse.com. And thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, any comments or concerns, make sure to leave it in the comments below. And I will see you next Friday.